Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be giving you an overview of all the different map types you can currently use in Looker Studio. So we're going to be looking at the Geo Chart, the bubble map, the filled map, the heat map, the line map, the connection map, and the combo map. So kicking things off with the humble Geo Chart. So this is the only type of map in Looker Studio which is not based on Google Maps. So it's not interactive, but it's a simple and stylish way of conveying geographic data. So just shows you data by the color intensity. So the US obviously has the highest shade of blue and it's got the highest number of views. So not too much to say about this. Moving on, we've got the bubble map. So this is the first of the Google Maps that are available in Looker Studio. So this shows bubbles, all these circles. The larger the circle, the larger the value. And in this case, I'm using country to give all the circles a different color. So each color is a different country. So the great thing about Google Maps is that you can go full view and you can really zoom in. And another great feature is that you can use the street level view that's available in Google Maps. So depending on the kind of data you have, you can really jump in and enjoy the street view. So zooming back out, that is Bubble Map in a nutshell, and just showing you some of the Google Maps functionality that you have for all the different kinds of Google Maps. Next up, it's the filled map. So this, instead of showing the data values as bubbles, this shows you the data values as colors. So here we have the United States with 435 new users and Canada with 86 new users. So obviously the US is a darker shade of blue. Same with India and the UK being slightly darker than the rest. Next up we have heat map. So this also indicates the data value by color. In this case it's the intensity. So we can see that the US has the most number of people and therefore it's got that intense red color, while the rest of the countries, not having as many people, have the shade of green. So that's the heat map. Next up we've got the line map. So this might take a moment to load because line map is only available with BigQuery data. So all the other maps in this demo are using Google Analytics data. This is using BigQuery data. So a line map allows you to plot lines. In this case it's roads, so we can map individual roads. This is using a US road map free dataset in BigQuery for the state of Alabama. So depending on your data type, might be very useful or not too useful. But moving on to the connection map. Now the connection map shows, well, pretty much what it says. It shows the connection between two spots. So this is a data set that uses flight routes and number of passengers. So the color indicates the number of passengers. So here we have the route of Jeju to Seoul, and we've got a variety of routes out of Tokyo. And it's also got this nice 3D effect, which is pretty cool. So connection map, good for mapping connections between places on the map. And last, but certainly not least, we've got the combo map. So the combo map shows data, well, two different metrics that you can choose from. In this case, we're using views, and we're using views per user. So the color of the filled map is the number of views, and then these gold towers, that's the views per user, or any other metric that you choose to have. So in this case, the United States has more views than Canada, but Canada has a higher number of views per user. And for example, Venezuela has 30 views per user, but only 30 views, so very high towers. Same with some Cameroon and some other examples. So that's a combo map. You can essentially map two different metrics onto one map. And yeah, that's an overview of all the different map types in Looker Studio. I'll be making some more videos diving into how you can customize each individual one, but yeah, hope you found that video useful.